Who the heck is this?
Geometry Dash icon tier list part 2.
Okay. Now Lilith.
Ugly, ugly, ugly.
The poop. Did catch that.
Why is this one angry?
So now we have Rosie. No, that's not Rosie. Oh my god, that's Susan.
Oh, okay, this
I don't
one.
like Susan, honestly.
Not really my favorite. This one, it's also a D tier. This one is kind of cool in my opinion. I like the smile in it. Looks cool. It's so happy.
This girl,
okay, this one.
She's the ugliest girl I ever met in the world.
Okay, so this one I would rate it in C tier. Okay, so this one. Oh my gosh, no. D. No.
So yeah, so.
Okay, so this one I'm gonna make it. So now I'm gonna make. Wow, I love cats. Wow, 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 wow. I know nobody likes this icon, but in my opinion, it's cool. Oh no, this is literally a worse version of that other icon. Bro, F tier. This one is cringe. E. Okay, this one. E tier. And that smiley face one, D. Grade this one, D. Okay, so this one, ugly, ugly, E tier. Ugly, ugly, F tier. Bro, what is this? Skull. I like skulls. Skulls. C, mid. This sad one, I feel so bad for it because it's sad. I'd like rate it in bro. So this one's so sad. I feel bad for it. I'd rate it in not gonna lie, in my opinion, it's actually a good icon. A tier. This one, bro. I swear, bro. This one's so bad. C, no D. You anyways learned how to get it. Like, bro. Okay, this one, it's kind of dramatic. It's a good icon. I'm not gonna rate it like at a bad tier. It's like B. Well, it is lame, but it's good. Just a good icon. D, this one. What the hell? Okay, so X Creator Goals icon. I don't know if it's X Creator Goals. I think it's X Creator Goals icon. So the icon, I would rate it in mid. You just get it for subscribing to RobTop on YouTube. Okay, now this one we're getting a little too far. This one's like dashy. D. Well, I think it's bad. Kirby, I like Kirby. C tier. Okay, skulls. I hate the skull for a reason. I don't know. This is a worse version of the cat icon. E tier. No, you know what? F tier. No. Okay, the robot. D. So bad. Okay, so this one is kind of good in my opinion. C tier. Okay, so this one, it's also a good icon. Even though it's Marvel and I hate Marvel, it's still a good icon. It's still a good icon. So B tier. Okay, so this one, oh, I'm right there. Okay, so this one next is looks like Nexus, but it's not Nexus at all. See it here. Okay, and this one, I think we have enough time to like complete the icon tier list. I think we have enough time. Ancient Egyptian is B tier. Yeah. Can I like, no I can't. This one, see, good icon. Yongqing, my dark side, Yongqing. Bim. Okay, so this one is a decent icon. Wait, I think I need to change some. This one, I'm gonna put it in C tier now. This one, I'm also gonna put it in C tier. This one is staying in D tier. This one, I'm changing it. And this one is staying in D tier. The GD:1, but worse. And this one is also moving to C tier. Okay, so this one. So for this one, I would rate it in C tier. Okay, so now... By the way, you can call me Hamza because I revealed my real name.
Anyway, okay.
Crown guy.
Now start recording. In 3, 2. Hello guys. Today I'm gonna be rating
this one, but cat,
okay?
cat, but worse.
This video's
cat.
gonna be really quickly.
Oh,
so, like,
ugly. Ew.
First we have Ragatha. This girl, I love her. Wait for her. No, yeah, I don't. Yeah, I like.
And also after that,
Hey,
I'm
yeah,
doing
guys.
Hey Nora, can I do an amazing digital character tier list and Hazbin Hotel too?
I don't want you to do the Hazard Hotel.
Okay, but amazing digital service.
But it's okay, you can do it.
Thank you.
Okay, anyway. Now,
so this
Jax, I don't look, let's explain. This guy is basically the good guy because he's always honest and he's changed the subject. Like, yeah, he's actually a good guy. I don't think he's a bad guy. So, yeah. Now,
So this one is... Rate him in like D tier, okay? Rate Gangle in D tier.
I put Gangle in B. I like him, like, I like him.
Well, this icon... This icon is so happy. Like, it's like having a lovely day. See? Oh, this one's cool. This one.
No,
like, so cool.
I like his look.
I like star icons and swirly icons. B tier.
Let me put him
B
in
tier.
D. Because this guy has been lying to all people. And they're not exited. There's an echo.
Okay, so I think this one is a cool icon. C tier. Oh, this one.
Okay.
Where's its eyes?
Kinger is the
Oh,
worst.
hell.
He is dumb.
E.
He's really dumb. Now,
E
guys,
tier.
please respect my opinion.
Hey, Karma. My fans can't even hear me.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, because of your noise.
How dare you?
Okay, Snail Guy. For Snail Guy,
Okay, so
he's a good C, like mid.
Like, guys, respect my opinion, please.
Okay, so this one I would rate it.
Now, Poppy, she's S tier. She's the best.
This one is B. Easy B tier.
I
Easy B.
No, that's super.
Easy B or easy P tier, whatever.
He is B. I don't know. Yeah. But, yeah, she is.
Okay, so this one.
Really cute.
This one, C. No, not
So, guys,
C.
that's the end of this video. And
B, yeah, B. So, yeah. No, what the? Okay, so that guy. To be honest, I would rate him as C tier. He's a good character. Oh yeah, now this is X Creator Gold's icon. His icon is kind of good, but A. But I want to read this one so bad. If whatever icon I rate F tier, that means I want Drop Top to delete. Skull C tier. Oh, the press start icon. The press start icon is decent icon, C tier. Both of them are C tier because, like, I think everything is mid. Knockem icon. Knockem icon is insanely cool. It's also my main icon in Geometry Dash Sub-Zero.
Hello guys, so this is my others.
Shut up. Okay, so Power Trip.
You know, I'm not being that loud. I was literally talking like so quietly.
Okay.
I'm not even being that loud.
So Power Trip, good icon, S tier, easy S tier.
Did we rate apps and original tips? This is my third episode of
A
this series.
S. It's actually cool. Press start all coins.
Box.
Yeah, this one. Knockem all coins. Never Knockem all coins. Drake. Knockem all coins is a better version. I'd rate it an S tier. Bro, the Knockem icons are the best. Bro, I mean the best. Like, bro. Like, one of the best icons. Oh, and the last one is the Power Trip icon. Power Trip all coins. Bad icon. D tier.